Now let's create some widgets for our website. And if you go to the shop page, at the left hand side, the widgets there are not appealing. So let's look at how we can create some custom widgets that will display information or requirements concerning our shop page. So to do that, I go to the back end of my website. Under appearance, I click on widgets. Now I go to WooCommerce sidebar. This is where I'll add all my widgets that will be displayed on the shop page. So first of all, I want to add the search field. So I go down to search, drop down the arrow, select WooCommerce, then add widgets. So it is added right here. Next, I want to add filtered by price so that visitors of my website will be able to filter my product based on price. I have it right here, filter by product by price. I select WooCommerce sidebar, then add widgets. Now I also want to add some attributes. For instance, attributes for color and size. So I have filter product by attribute, drop it down, select WooCommerce sidebar, add widgets. So first of all, I'll say filter by color. And in here, you make sure that color is selected. Click on save. Then I go back to filter product by attribute, select WooCommerce sidebar, add widget. Then filter by size. Then under attribute, I choose size. Save the changes. Next, I want to display some featured products. So I'll go to products right here, add widgets. The number I want to display 5. Then show, I'll select featured products. And then title, I make it featured products. Then save. Next, I display product categories. So I search for product categories. Take note, not categories, product categories. Drop down, then add widgets. And we don't want to show hierarchy, so I uncheck this, then save. Click on done. Now let's refresh our page. So that's it on creating widgets for our shop page. Now let's look at how we can add some widgets to the blog page. So if you go to the blog page, as you can see, the widgets over here are not appealing. So to change them, I go over to the back end. Under appearance, I go to widgets and then default sidebar. I'll remove what is here. So delete, and I need a search bar, so I won't delete that one. So now I search for recent posts. Show a listing of your recent posts or random posts. So I drop down, choose default sidebar, add widgets, and in here I want to show 5 posts. Then I click on save. Done. Next, I want to display social icons. So I have it in here. Default sidebar, add widgets, and under style, I choose colored. And then going down, I'll enter the various URL for the respective social media platforms. So if I want to use Twitter, I'll just enter twitter.com/ then my username. I do the same thing for Facebook, so I'll just enter hashtag. I want to use LinkedIn, and finally YouTube. Then I save it. Now let's go ahead and refresh our page. Awesome. So everything is set. So I've set my number of posts to 5. Meanwhile, I have 3. So that's it on how to add custom widgets to our blog post page. Now let's look at how to add some footer widgets to our website. So to do that, I go to the back end of our website to widgets, that is appearance widgets. So first of all, I'll look for text right here. I'll take it to footer 1, add widget. It is right here. So in here, I want to add my logo. It is right here, insert. And below the logo, I add some text about my website. So I'll just paste in some dummy content, maybe this much, and I click on save. Done. Now next I want to add navigation menu to footer 2. So I search for navigation menu right here. So footer 2, add to widgets. So the title, I enter company, and then select menu. I choose footer 1, and I click on save. I repeat the process for footer 3. So I go to navigation menu, footer 3, add widgets, then I enter quick links, then select menu. I choose footer 2, save changes, and finally I'll insert contact information. So I take it to footer 4, add widgets. So in here I enter some text about my contact details. Maybe I can give location. So in here I enter my address, phone, and this is my phone number. I'll just tweak it a little by adding plus. Mobile too, I add plus. I'm not going to use fax, so I take this off. And then email, I enter my email address in here. Maybe I don't need website, so I take everything out. Then Skype information, I don't need it, so I take it out, and then I save. Let's refresh our page. Refresh. Scroll down. Everything is right there. Or maybe this text, I don't need this much, so I'll go back to footer 4, contact info. I'll just take it out and then save. Refresh. Perfect. So that's it on how to add the footer widgets.